All right, thanks, Carly. It's Mad Science Monday. Jetpack Jason with Mad Science is joining us live, and we are learning about the science behind being an escape artist, a contortionist, Houdini type stuff, right?
Right, exactly. So, like, what's the difference between, like, a magician and a scientist?
It's a fair question, yeah.
I
think there's each of them have a little bit of both, and, you got to be a little bit of a scientist to be an escape artist.
Exactly, yeah. And magicians, they really are scientists. But
Yeah.
what makes them different from a scientist, do you think?
It's like, I don't know.
If I told you...
Well, they don't share their findings.
Right,
One
yeah,
thing.
exactly. If I told you how everything,
Yeah.
like with every magic trick worked, right? Would I ever be able to trick you again?
That's true, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
right?
They're not peer-reviewed.
Right.
Magicians.
That's well said. I like that. That's good. So let's do a little bit of an escape thing here.
All right.
Kind of like Harry Houdini.
Yeah,
he was
sure.
like a huge escape artist, right?
Yes.
In fact, these are named Houdini's chains after
Okay.
him. So, and this is something you can even do at home. I mean, all you need is a couple pieces of string. You don't even need chain. We just do this to make it look good.
There you go.
So
All right.
we're gonna get ourselves locked in here. Now, Pat and I, we're stuck. We can't get out of this.
It's like we're on a chain gang.
Right, yeah. So we've got how much time do we have left? Like we got
Two minutes or so?
All right, cool. We're gonna spend about 2 minutes trying to get out of this.
Alrighty.
Good luck.
So without
Yeah,
okay.
we can't undo this. So like maybe if we like this
So
is
that's
getting
So that's not gonna
all
work.
right, yeah. No. Maybe try a foot. Maybe you stick your feet through there.
You couldn't no, I couldn't let's see, I suppose, yeah. So I'm stumped already.
Yeah,
Jason.
so there's maybe some things that we can do that,
From the world of science.
maybe,
Oh, look at this. What are you doing?
Oh, here, go ahead and take your hand, stick it. Oh, well, I mean, that's one way to escape.
Aha! See?
Let's try that again. Here, all right. We're going to try this one more time. Now, this time, make a fist.
Yep.
And I'll show you. All right, we're going to stick this right through here like so, right? We're going to make a loop. And now stick your hand just through
this loop?
my loop here.
Yep.
There you go. And pull.
Look at that.
We're out.
What do you
right?
call that? How'd you do that?
So, yeah, well, let's reverse it first. Well, let's just do it again. All right, I'm going to let you try it this time.
All right.
So, what we're doing here is we're kind of untying this. So, we're going to take this right through here, kind of like so. Okay?
Yep.
And then I'm going to stick my hand through here this time. And then you pull that.
Wow.
So, what's happening here, we've basically just kind of untied this, right? Don't try this with, like, if you with the cops or anything,
No.
like that's probably not going to work out too well, right? So there's a lot of science going on, right?
Right.
These two chains. There's a lot of physics here, first off,
Right.
because
Oh, yeah.
they can't occupy the same point in space at the same time, right?
Right.
Because it's just physics, right?
Yeah.
So we have to work our way around this. Now, a good magician isn't going to reveal that secret. So those of you at home, we're going to try this one more time, just so that way you can kind of see and try this.
How
and
did he
amaze
do
all
this?
of your friends. All right. So I'm going to take Pat's chain here. We're going
Yeah.
to put it right through my loop from my arm side towards my hand side. We're going to stick my hand right on through that.
And then voila.
Ta-da!
We're both free. That's amazing.
Right? So there's a lot, like I said, like this is again another way that you can like really amaze your friends at home.
Yeah.
And like, and there's always safe ways to do this too. You don't want to like, make it too tight that you can't
Right.
get your hands out. And
Yeah,
things,
no, but it'd be a
right?
good party trick.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
If
for
you
your
have
birthday parties.
All right, so you can learn more about this, right?
Absolutely.
If you go to kansascity.madscience.org.
You got it.
Right, and you can learn all about it. And so it's so cool how this, you could make science, entertaining.
Right, absolutely. There's so much to science, and then
Yeah.
there's so many different ways to go about looking at science and thinking about like everyday things that you see and thinking about like the science behind that.
Very cool. All right, Jetpack Jason, thank you, sir, for this
Definitely.
free magic show there. All right, coming up next, maybe you enjoy